What's up, folks? I just wanted to give you a quick announcement that the hackers are out. They are finding any kind of way, pulling out all the stops to get your information. And I don't even recall how this even popped up. And it looks official. I have Xfinity. And look, I can't right click. I'm trying to right click on this. I cannot right click. So let me show you what happens if you right click on something in a regular website. Regular website, if you right click, you will see these options. Bank and all this stuff. So on this website, they disabled everything. And look at these. So let's take a look at what it's saying. Every day we select a small group of Xfinity users to participate in a customer satisfaction survey. Yada yada yada, bang bang boom, and they're gonna give you you're supposedly gonna win an iPhone 15, S23, Sheen gift card. All this stuff is a year old. So if they really wanna woo somebody, then why would you woo somebody with old shit from a year old? So this is the danger. These boxes, PC, notebook, smartphone, tablet, and all this stuff. So I'm gonna grab this URL. This is the URL for the site. And I want to find out what happens if I click any of these dangerous buttons. So look at the comments. Look at these fake comments from people. Just got a new S23. 14 minutes ago, dropped my iPhone last week. Honestly, I wanted to buy a phone, but not today. I wanted a phone, but not today. All these people who got scammed. You can't do anything. If you right click on it, it's opening all kind of stuff. So this is a dangerous, malicious website. So I'm about to run this in AnyRun. Let me go up here and let's see, AnyRun. All right, so this is AnyRun. And I'm gonna log into this right quick. What is the login? Not the trial. All right, so I'm logged in. So I'm going to select new analysis. And I'm going to paste the URL right here. And I'm going to run this in Chrome because that's the browser I'm using right now. And select public analysis. Run the public analysis. So this is the virtual machine. It's running this. And you can see the virtual machine starting. Let's see what we got here. So it looked like it. So it picked up a totally different website here. So let's see if I could paste that URL right here again. So it's a fake Walmart website. And look at these URLs. We have German shit popping up here. And look at all these Chrome extensions that's running. All these Chrome processes. It's doing all kind of stuff that I don't want. So you have to be suspicious of this. And then look at this. So be careful with these bullshit websites. These attackers are out and they up to no good. This is a very dangerous website. So till I make my next video, if anything looks too good to be true, then you know it's not good. Leave it alone. Peace out.